teach you how to set this up. So let's now install Claude Code. So I'm going to go into the documentation here, and it's just going to be, we're going to be using npm to install Claude Code. And the interesting thing is that I can now actually authenticate as well, even though I don't have a browser. So let's just follow the guide here. So start Claude Code, run Claude to launch. That's basically what we have to do, run Claude. And now it's going to ask me for a few configuration options. So I do the light text. And now it's going to ask me to log into my Anthropic console account. So let's do that. Now my dev container obviously does not have a browser. So then it's just going to give me a link that I can follow. So let's follow that link. And now it's going to ask me to authorize. I'm already logged into my Anthropic account. And if I then copy this code and paste it, then it's going to create an API key. And here we go. My project is now set up. This is basically Claude Code and the interface that we are presented with. So we can run the help command for help, or we can run the init command to create a Claude MD file with instructions for Claude. So let's do that first, because then it's going to basically analyze my little project here. It's going to see if it needs any, it's going to see any conventions that I might have. It's basing this on the code, but also on the README. Okay, so now it has created a Claude MD file. It has some instructions how to run the Docker container with Mies install. That's interesting. It has detected that we're using UV, rough. Okay, and here are some code style guidelines that it detected. Follow the PEP 8 style guide. Okay, interesting. So here it has added some project instructions then. Well, also I like to use conventional commits for all of my commits. So I know that Claude Code can do git commits. So let's just add to the Claude MD that we use conventional commits in this repository. Take a look at the previous commits. Okay, so it's actually looking at the commit history now, and now it's also using use conventional commits for all commit messages. Do you want to make this edit to Claude MD? Yes, I do. Thank you. So I press yes. And now it has added this to the conventional commit section. Okay, great. So far so good. Claude Code is running. It is able to make changes, and it's all running inside of my dev container. So that's very important to note. I have a couple of prompts that I want to try out here. So